Click subscribe for update video every day.
PC makers have been struggling for a couple of years now to craft the perfect convertible laptop that functions well as both a tablet and a laptop. It's a tough design problem for several reasons, not the least being that complicated hinges tend to add a fair bit of weight and bulk to devices that strive to be thin and light. Two of the more popular, or popular at least, convertibles opt for novel ways around this problem. Lenovo's Yoga and allow the screen to fold all the way around, rather than detach. This makes for a very heavy tablet, but a laptop that's still quite thin and light. Microsoft's Surface tablets instead opt for a subpar, super thin snap-on keyboard, rather than a rigid laptop-like hinge. This makes them reasonably light in tablet mode, but far from the best option if you do a lot of typing. Toshiba instead opted for a detachable screen U along with a rigid, though heavy, metal hinge. In the interests of keeping costs low, they also opted for a low-power AMD processor and a slow-spinning mechanical hard drive. The results were far from impressive. To add insult to injury, the second battery failed to function in two different review units that the companies sent our way. To their credit though, Toshiba didn't give up. Instead, they've doubled down on the detachable screen design, literally, by offering two 13-inch variations of their second-generation Click, the mainstream Satellite Click 2, and the higher-end Satellite Click 2 Pro, Model P35WB3226. That we're looking at here, sporting a Core i7 processor, 1080p screen, 128GB SSD, and a much improved hinge mechanism. It would be a gross understatement to say that the Click 2 Pro is an improvement over the original Click. But it's also worth noting that with a $185 MSRP, the Click 2 Pro is nearly twice the price of the original Click. The Click 2 Pro is also quite heavy, both as a laptop, at 4.5 pounds, and as a tablet. The screen portion of the Click 2 Pro is about a half-pound heavier, 2.3 pounds, than is without its keyboard. The Click 2 Pro's aesthetics are attractive enough, and mostly feel like they belong to a premium device. The lid and keyboard tray are made of brushed metal, while the bottom consists of textured gray plastic. Tilt the screen.